Okay, now that you've got everything in the foamer, you've got the air line connected up and you've got it set between 60 and 90 psi, you can now foam the unit. As you can see, we have some concrete on the unit that we want to get off. So all you do is before you even wet the machine or anything, you just get the foamer and you apply the foam. So then, as you basically apply the foam, it'll sit on there, let it sit for about 45 minutes, but watch it as things dry out, foam it up a little bit more so it stays moist. Then after about 45 minutes, you'll get the little yellow scraper, you'll check the area. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes and we put about probably 6-7 layers on this, just keeping it moist to get the concrete to loosen up. So you can see, when you grab the scraper now, you can sort of check the area. So you can put it on here now where the concrete was and you can just sort of scrape it off. So it looks like it's penetrated enough. To get some, there's a little back here that's still hard, you know, in some of these areas back in here, but you can pretty much see, I mean, it's coming off with a plastic scraper, all that concrete that was on there. So, I mean, pretty easy now. So now we'll get the pressure washer out and we'll be able to pretty much blast all of this concrete off, see what we got left. And then any areas that are left, we'll hit it again, let it sit for probably 35-40 minutes again, and then basically remove it. And that should remove all your concrete.